This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charlene Dinkla. Horse Lovers fenced 20 acres with pasture for sale adjacent to gated estate on 21.72 acres totaling 41.72 acres. 21.72 property is fenced cross-fenced. Elegant custom home, 4+ stalls with sliding decorative doors, tack and feed room, state-of-the-art barn, 5 pastures on 21.72 acres and 1 pasture on additional 20 acres. 30 feet x 32 feet equipment shed, commercial grade 30 feet x 40 feet dream workshop, 17.6 by 17.6 greenhouse, 8 feet x 8 feet pump house, 12 feet x 20 feet 2-run dog kennel, chicken coop, natural spring pond, all surrounded by oaks, fruit trees, crepe myrtle, magnolia, palms, live oaks and more. Home boasts stunning real wood floor, dream kitchen with custom apple cabinets with pull-out drawers, granite countertops, upgraded stainless steel appliances with pot filler over cooktop, double oven, and separate view. For more information, review the details below.